Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Vipera Evanesca from Glam Polish. Probably butchered it. I've started off with Peel Ease base coat and here is that gorgeous Glam Polish. This is one of the new ones that I just hauled on Black Friday and it's a Harry Potter inspired polish, so you know I had to give it a go. It is a teal jelly full of insane flakies. I mean, they're like iridescent and colored and oh my gosh, I'm telling you, this just shows stopping. It's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And that'll be the last time I say that word on this video, I promise. Hi Woody, how you doing? So here we go with our second coat. This is going on really well considering how much is chalked into this jelly polish here. It's just amazing that it's got a good formula and it's not all clumpy. I am going to top it with Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat because I have to do some stamping. I have to. Got it in my blood. It's telling me I got to do this today. So there we go. Loving it. I am capping my fridge, a little out of frame, I apologize. And here is a swatch photo of it all on its own. Is that not yummy? I'll be using Mother Nature Collection number 15. Hold on. 16. No. Oh my goodness, Tina, get it together. 14. And this is a Moyou London plate that my friend Becky sent me a while back. And I'm cleaning it with some acetone and a paper towel and a cotton ball to get it all clean. I got my beauty scraper out and my Conad stamper. This is Coconut from Nailtiques, a new favorite stamping polish. I love that it's not just white, it's a creamy color and it's really taken center stage here with me. I love it. There we go. I'm going to roll that one on. Beautiful. This plate is picking up so well. I don't own a bunch of Moyou London plates, but all of the ones I've tried are just perfect. They're made so well. So I am really loving this. I'm just using different images off of this buffet style plate. Just different areas. I'm going after different areas on it. But in the end, the manicure all worked because it just all looked right together. It wasn't like me mixing and matching images off of different plates. I really like that. I love plates like this. And this is a really neat one. It's just got a lot of different aspects to it that just sing to me. And I really wanted to use like the little fox and the deer, but you know, these little bitty short nails, I didn't want to be cutting any animals' heads off or tails off or, you know. So here we go with the last one. And I really did like this. I thought it was, you know, a quick, easy manicure. Didn't have any issues. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get up some of this excess off of my skin from around my nails. Works so well. And then I'm going to top it with the smudge-free top coat from Nailtiques. Dun da da dun. Once that's dry, I will be using Fast and Heart from Vibrant Vinyls to seal this one in. Look at that. It's so glossy and shiny. In love. So I'm going to cap my free edge here. I do have a swatch photo coming up. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. And I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.